Smart Translation Learner User Guide. Login. To start off, input your email and password. Tap Login. Forgot password. If you forgot your password, enter your email and hit Forgot Password. Check your mailbox for the new password. If the email is not found, search the junk folder. Adjust app settings. To access the settings, hit the gear icon at the top right corner. You can change the display language or password here. Get to know the app. At About, you will have an overview of the app and the department's contact information. Create an entry. Add translation, tap the label box to select a label for your entry. After that, tap the plus button. Push the toggle switches to set the sharing mode and translation direction. Fill in the entry information. Now, you can save the draft. After creating the draft entry, double-check your selected label, as it cannot be changed once the entry is uploaded to Vocabulary. Finally, tap Upload to Vocabulary. If you wish to upload other entries with the same label and grouped in the same memo, repeat the above steps, and upload the draft entries all together. If you want to create another entry, but with a different label, upload the initial entry first, and then create and upload another. Moving on to Vocabulary, you will see the uploaded entries in a memo. Review or edit an uploaded entry. If there is more than one entry in the memo, push the toggles if necessary to locate the entry you wish to review or edit. Then, tap the writing icon on the right. Here you may review or edit your entry. After editing, be sure to hit Save as Draft and upload to Vocabulary before leaving the page. Add a new entry to your memo. Navigate to Translation and tap the desired memo. Tap the plus button to create an additional entry. After that, hit Upload to Vocabulary. The entry will then appear in the existing memo. View and add your own notes to others' entries. Find other users' entries in By Others. Hit a bilingual entry for more information. You can add your notes for the entry by tapping Remark. To enter and save your remarks, tap the button at the bottom. Search for an entry. To retrieve an entry, type its label, category, source text, or target text in the bar. Bookmark a memo. To bookmark a memo, tap the star icon at its lower left corner. You can view all your starred memos in Starred. Discover useful learning resources. Add useful links. You can access a list of useful dictionaries, glossaries, and corpora for self-learning. Tap the arrow icons to go to the sites. Export your vocabulary. If you want to export your vocabulary to Excel, go to Export and search for your entry by label, category, source text or target text. Select the desired memo by tapping the circle at its top right corner. You may enter a message as an attachment. Tap Export selected. You will find the vocabulary in an Excel file in your mailbox. Let Smart Translation Learner support your learning today.